Your girl's like really nervous, but it's okay.
Thank you so
Meet
much.
Tabitha.
Dallas, Texas, y'all. Hi.
She is 16, full of life, energy, and stitches.
It's a chance to like embrace myself and to show people, that I am colorful.
Tabitha has an eye for beauty.
Mike,
Her
hold it.
gift for sewing
See how
only
it's
enhances it.
perfect.
I have sewn pillows and blankets. More recently, I've been, designing my own clothes. Like I made a hoodie and a dress, and now I'm making a shirt, as you can see.
Moving into foster care is stressful. Tabitha did it 3 years ago. Her sewing machine is one of many tools in her toolbox to calm her.
It's been really hard. Being separated from my siblings, moving a lot, meeting friends and then leaving. It's really hard, but I'm thankful for it because it kind of made me stronger.
Tabitha has a real zeal for life. She wants loving parents who are patient and will give her the attention she needs.
I fantasize about it all the time, like me actually having a home.
When Tabitha is stitching her stress away, she likes to daydream about the future and her forever family she wants to meet so badly.
That's amazing to me, just to come home and be like, well, this is my home. I'm not a foster care kid. I'm not a CPS kid anymore. Like I was one, and I understand it, but hey, I got out. I didn't age out, I got adopted.
Tabitha felt right at home at Urban Spool in Dallas. A huge thanks to the staff there for all you did. As you heard, Tabitha wants a family before she ages out of foster care at the age of 18. We're just 2 years away. For more information on her, contact LaQuina Warren. We also have her information on our website. Just go to WFAA.com/Wednesday.